Abeddwaliro ekkulu Mulago nga bakulembeddwa Ssenkulu waalyo Dr. Rosemary Byanyima balabiseko mu kakiiko ka Paalamenti ak'ensonga z'ebyobulamu wakati mu kwetegereza ensimbi ezaagerekedde eddwaliro lino mu mbalirira y'omwaka gw'ebyensimbi 2026-2027.
Mulago as our national referral hospital is the most important.
Byanyima ategeeza ababaka nga bwe beetaaga ensimbi endala okusobola okugula ebyuma ebipya olw'ebyo bye balina okukaddiwa ssaako n'okugula ziggaffa z'eddwaliro oba ambulensi endala.
Since human resource, even the equipments, and we have aging medical equipment. You know, it's in 2014 when equipments were procured under the ADB project. And of course, given our workload, these equipments now are over 10 years. We need to start replacing them with even newer technologies which are more efficient. Inadequate and aging fleet of service for service delivery and administrative operations. Our fleet is, all the vehicles are more than 15 years. Ideally, the Ministry of Works had asked us to board them off, but would remain with nothing. But that means our repair budget is high.
Banera baagala ensimbi okusasula abasawo be bagamba nti bakola nnyo olw'abalwadde abangi abeeyongedde Mulago.
9 billion, we had requested for 9 billion to recruit critical staff so that we can operationalize some of the critical areas. But in the next financial year, that has not yet been honored at all. And we think this is really critical. We wish that our budget is enhanced by that much to enable us to recruit a few of the critical staff that we need in addition to those we have. Inadequate staff accommodation, we need more critical staff staying near the hospital because we run an 8-hour shift. So those who are going off duty at 9 and those who come to relieve them need to be accommodated near. Heavy patient.
Byanyima era alaze n'ebintu bye batunuulidde okukozesa ensimbi ze basaba okubongera mu kiseera kino.
Pulmonologists, all these trainings cannot take place here, and even training people in minimal access surgery. We need this money to train more people. Chair, completion of our staff houses, although we've gotten some enhancement for the coming financial year, we still need an addition of about 7 billion for the units to be completed. Fencing of the land, yes, we've allocated 7 billion because we need to start off the process, but we'll need an extra 14 billion to complete fencing this land, and it will save the government land from encroachers. Wage, we would require 95 billion so that our structure is all populated. Currently we have 53 billion, but we are requesting for only at least 9 billion to recruit a few staff.
Ono kyokka ababaka bamutadde ku nninga ayogera engeri gye bagenda okunogeramu eddagala omuze ogw'abasawo okujja ku balwadde ensimbi.
And as a hospital we have zero tolerance for extortion, and we have made a position paper which we presented to the management board, and they have approved it, and we are going ahead to implement. So we are increasing on the CCTV coverage because we've seen it's been helpful. It has helped us to apprehend some people who are doing those vices. We increase on the signage because we want to increase on the signage because sometimes patients get lost.
Mu kiseera kino obukiiko bwa Paalamenti obw'enjawulo buli mu kutunuulira ebintu ebyenjawulo. Gavumenti weetadde ensimbi okulaba obanga waliwo ebikyusibwamu oba okwongerwako ensimbi eziba ziteereddwako. Ssebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggwire lino ku KTV Amalindire.